everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, this is another shoe unboxing. This is a look at my new pair of Adidas UltraBoost shoes. Now if you do search back on my channel, you will see I have done quite a few different UltraBoost unboxings. They are my absolute favorite shoe, my ride or die as people say, and I believe the shoe that I will forever wear. I have tried other things like APLs and Asics, and I have been so surprised personally that people buy anything else than Adidas UltraBoost. For me, they are just the perfect shoe for my feet. Obviously people have very different preferences on what they like and what's comfortable for them, but this is just what I prefer. So I can't show you the box specifically because these were sent with my address on the box. So this is the box that UltraBoosts come in. So I do want to tell you I have worn these once just because they are so different from all my other UltraBoosts. I had to wear them first to make sure I liked them, and so I could obviously give you a review compared to my other ones. So I do want to say, let me show you and tell you what these are called. So sorry about the movement. These are this style of UltraBoost with a really thick sole. I thought that these were so ugly for so long, to be honest, and I never thought I would own this style, but here we are. We own some and I really like it. So this is called the 2023 Women's UltraBoost Light Non-Dyed Linen Green Shoe. So just for reference, in case you were looking for them, type in that, they will come up. Screenshot this, put it in Google search, and it will also come up. So my thoughts on this, as I said, thought they were super ugly, was never going to own a pair, and then purchased it, and I really like them. Fresh UltraBoost for me, they never need to be broken in. You can just put them straight on, go for a walk, and you get no blisters. They're super comfortable, all of that. I do want to say one difference though in this shoe that does take a little bit of getting used to, which all of my others have never had. In the sole, well, in the inside, you may be able to see this little cushion. They have these cushions on either side, which sort of sit into those little bony areas of your ankle. To be honest, that feels a little bit strange to begin with, but it's also supporting that small area, which I think is really nice in the end. But I just wanted to mention that they do feel a little bit weird, but obviously that will soften after time. They are super spongy compared to all the other shoes that I have. Now, as you may know, they come in this like sock version like this, or there's the more, let me show you. One second. I have a pair of Pure Boosts here, which I have done a separate unboxing, or there is a version of UltraBoosts which have more of a tongue, like they're more of a shoe than a sock version like this. This is a more tighter fitting, supportive shoe in my opinion. I find around here and this section here quite fitted, super supportive, and it feels really nice, to be honest. You just need to make sure you get the correct size. Obviously it's going to feel too tight or not supportive enough. I do want to mention, now I did own quite a while ago this type of UltraBoost with the tongue like this, and I had a lot of issues with the tongue folding over, so it would basically sit, I don't want to fold it just in case, it would sit like that most of the time when all of the time when I would wear it, and I really didn't love that. I do want to mention they must have done some upgrading since then, or yeah, because this does not happen with this shoe, which I really appreciate. Now, I don't know if this shoe, if this glows, to be honest, because I have also another pair of shoes which glows, so I can't comment on that. But if you are looking for a new shoe and you are an UltraBoost fan and haven't tried one of these before, I highly recommend trying this style because you may be pleasantly surprised, but also double check the sizing as well. So with this shoe, I have purchased an 8.5. Usually with all my other shoes, you will notice that I have sizes ranging from 7.5, which I have never been in my life, all the way up to 8.5. So usually I'd say I'm usually an 8, but these are an 8.5 and they do fit really nicely. But yeah, I hope you found this helpful. This is the sole as well. Sorry, let me show you that. So it does have the Continental rubber. Now, I do want to say as well, this doesn't have, the previous UltraBoost had like all the black rubber everywhere. It was covering the whole base of the shoe. I'm interested to see how this wears compared to those, because I have found they do wear through the rubber within maybe like 9 to 12 months personally. So I'm interested to see if this design is any different. I don't find, because the whole base of the shoe, is any slipperier or anything like that. But yeah, I'm just interested to see if this style, if they have changed the components or something of the Continental rubber that will make it wear not as quickly. Obviously it's quite a long time, up to a year, but still. Yeah, so this is the new shoe that you will see me wearing. And let me know your thoughts. Do you like this style of UltraBoost? Let me know your thoughts on UltraBoost as well. My husband is Team Asics. I am Team Adidas, but let me know what your favorite brand of sneaker is. I would like to still dabble and try something new every now and again, but I feel like I will forever come back to UltraBoost. But thank you guys so much for watching, as always, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye!